Saiga .223 Russian bore semi-auto rifle is a civilian-adapted version of the iconic AK-47 platform designed for hunting and sport shooting. Design origin by, developed by Kalashnikov, Concern, formerly Izhmash, in Russia. The Saiga series is based on the AK-47 system, but modified for civilian use. Named after the Saiga antelope, it retains the AK's reliability while offering a non-military aesthetic, caliber action, chambered in 223 Remington/5.56 NATO. It operates as a semi-automatic, gas-powered rifle with a rotating bolt, long-stroke piston system, like the AK-47, for high reliability in adverse conditions. Barrels 16.3, 16.5 inches hammer forged, chrome line for durability and corrosion resistance, weight 3.6 kilograms. Typically comes with a 10-round detachable magazine. Compatible with proprietary Saiga mags. Standard AK mags may require modification. U.S. market. Initially imported by Russian-American Armory or RWC, but banned in 2014 due to sanctions. Kalashnikov USA now produces a similar model, US 132, domestically. Available in countries like Pakistan, marketed as a rugged, affordable option for hunting and sport. Effective range, 500 meters, suitable for medium game hunting and target shooting. Adjustable iron sights, leaf rear, post front, and a side rail for optics. Saiga MK107, a modernized variant with AR-style ergonomics, pistol grip, Picatinny rail. Saiga Sporter, synthetic stock, fixed configuration, and optics-ready design. For pricing, the rifle sold for $1,275 in a U.S. auction, 2024. While international prices vary, for example, Pakistan's market listed among premium imports. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.